Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix sorry you've been blocked error for any website. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first fix I suggest is opening up your extensions tab. And now once you're inside extensions, go ahead and look at all the different extensions inside of here. If there's any you don't recognize or you don't use anymore, go ahead and disable it, and then go ahead and retry and open up that website, and hopefully you don't get that blocked error message. If you still do, disable every extension inside of Google Chrome and then retry, and then just enable one extension at a time to see and narrow down which extension that could be causing that issue. All right, now for the next fix, you want to click on the three dotted lines and then go into settings. Now you should be in the settings tab inside Google Chrome. And now from here, we want to click onto privacy and security. Now from here, we'll need to go ahead and click on delete browsing history, cookies, cache, and more. And now it says time range. Make sure you've got all times set here, like so. Now we need to go ahead and make sure browsing history is checked, cooking and other site data is checked, and cache image files. So let's go ahead and do these one by one. So browsing history, I need to check. Cookies and other site data, check. And also cached image and file. They are the three main ones. We want to go ahead and click on delete. So click delete data. Also from here, we need to go on the left hand side inside settings, click on about Chrome, and make sure your Google Chrome browser is up to date. So if it isn't, it's going to say updating Chrome here, as mine is not up to date. So it's going to update Chrome for me. So I'm just going to give that a few moments and let it do its thing. So yeah, these are the three main causes why you're getting that error that you've been blocked from any website.